Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to set up Wrike from scratch step by step in 2026. Starting fresh ensures your projects and teams are organized properly from the beginning, and it saves time later. First, create your Wrike account. Sign up with your email or Google account. Verify your email before logging in. Next, set up your workspace. Choose a name, logo, and time zone. This keeps all projects consistent and professional. Now create your first project. Click New Greater Than Project and choose blank or a template. Templates help if you want a ready-made workflow. After that, define folders and task structure. Organize work by teams, clients, or project types. This prevents clutter and confusion later. Next, add team members. Invite them via email and assign roles. Choose appropriate access levels for each person, then create tasks and subtasks. Break work into smaller tasks with clear owners. This makes tracking and deadlines easier. Now set start dates, due dates, and priorities. Realistic timelines keep work on schedule. High priority tasks stand out for focus. After that, enable notifications and reminders. Wrike alerts keep everyone updated on changes. No one misses important updates. Next, use timeline, Gantt, or board view. Visualize tasks and dependencies. This helps plan workloads effectively. Finally, review settings and customize workflows. Adjust task statuses, tags, and dashboards. Customization ensures your Wrike setup fits your team perfectly. So yeah, setting up Wrike from scratch means creating an account, organizing workspace and folders, adding team members, creating tasks, setting deadlines, enabling notifications, and customizing workflows. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next guide.